Well, there's nothing better than unblocking a drain. Getting all your drain rods out, and I was about 10 rods in and I've got 1 or 2 rods left. I thought it was never going to clear. So that was nearly 10 meters down the pipe. Luckily it was a straight one. Pushing it, and then eventually whoosh. Yes, all the water and everything else comes flowing out. There's no taps on or anything at this point. This is all backlogged up the pipe. Managed to clear it all out. Not an easy job, not a nice job. Every so often, one that comes up and you've got to do it and get the drain rods out and clean the drain out.